Alright, so on the BMW F30, the air filter is, for the N20 engines, the air filter is at the very front of the engine compartment. Now to get to it, you have to take off these tabs. There's one here, here, here. Disconnect this pipe here, here, or actually, no, yeah, down here, here, here. Pull this up, and that should be it. So let's get to it. Now with those plugs pulled out right here, you should be able to see your air filter back here. Reach in there and grab it out. Alright, so what we're installing is a BMW air filter, part 13718507320. This is from my dealership. This should fit the F30 320s. So yeah, we'll get this installed now. I'll also show you the old filter versus new. For reinstallation, we're just going to put the plugs back in and then all the clips back on. That completes the installation of the air filter for the N20 engine. I believe this is the same for the N26 as well, if I am correct. Don't quote me on that though. Again, you can find all the parts in the description below. Thank you, and please like and subscribe.